नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय। नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय तस्मै गरुडाय महेश्वराय। नागेन्द्रहाराय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय।
I will be performing one of the Ashtapatis by the great poet of India, Jayadeva from Puri. In this Gita Govinda, there are three characters usually performed. Either it is a conversation between Radha and her Sakhi, her friend, or it is a conversation between Radha and Krishna, or otherwise it is a conversation between Krishna and Sakhi. So these are the three main characters in this Ashtapadi. Today I have chosen Chandana Charchida Neela Kalepara Pita Vasanavanamali. In this Ashtapadi, this is a conversation between Sakhi and Radha, Radha and her friend. Friend sees Radha very upset and asks her, "Why are you so upset today?" And she says, "My Krishna has not come to me." Sakhi promises her to look for Krishna and sees him on the banks of river Yamuna. And there she says, "You are upset here that Krishna has not come to you, but look at him. There he is happily playing with other gopis." Do you know Radha? One gopika is trying to play music, sing music to his ears. At the same time, another gopika with her beautiful eyes calls him secretly to come to the Nikunja. And another gopika tells Krishna that, "You play the flute and let me give you the talam with my bangles." Krishna is enjoying there. And why are you upset here? Don't feel sad for him and don't wait for him. This is the conversation between Sakhi and Radha. Chandana Charchida Neela Kalepara Pita Vasanavanamali. Sakhi tells, "Look at the banks of river Yamuna. Krishna is Chandana Charchita. He has adorned his body, the blue color body, with Chandanam. Neela Kalepara, the blue color body. Pita Vasana Vanamali. He is wearing the Pita Vasanam, the yellow color garment. And he has Vanamali. He is Vanamali. He has the flowers, garland made out of wild flowers. And you know, Radha, he has kundalams which comes and kisses his cheeks when he smiles. The kundalams comes and kisses his cheeks. ಚಂದನ ಚರ್ಚಿತ ನೀಲಕಲೇಪರ ಪಿತವಸನ ವನಮಾಲಿ.